anything was joining order. Look at this guy. Run the light. Run the light. LGJ 7869. Here's a policy. Come on, man. Look at this selfish asshole, man. And then you enter through that area. Now you're already in the subway. It's like it's just so stupid. Like, how stupid do they think these people are? You know, you wanna make sure. Charger. That's why I don't speed, man. Oh, I'll show you this happening. People on the side of the road over here. This car, damn, that shit is on one wheel missing. Now you got this car. You know, how many cars involved? Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. 4 LGA 2738. Ooh, ooh. Tricky one. Ooh, oh, okay. Wow, the car did that by itself too. So I'm gonna do my gurus. Oh, he's gonna pull over. Damn. Is he gonna run? Why he's pulling over to the left? Okay, he's pulling over. Damn. Look at this scammer. He put something in his rear covering the last two letters of the license plate. The last two numbers. Scammer. They do anything to look, covering the last two numbers. New York plates. And then you enter through that area. Now you're already in the subway. Oh shit. Oh my god. You like, did you not see that? Jesus. Some people are just like, maybe wasn't paying attention. Maybe he's on his phone or something. Shit went right on in the car. Look, fucked up his bumper. Do you see it wobbling? Look, it's fucked up his bumper. Look, it's wobbling. Damn, man. See what happens? Roadkill and look. Oh my god, that shit. Fuck. Yo, your bumper. Damn. Wow. Yo, those raccoons are no joke. Look at that. That shit fucked up. Look.